G'day. This is Charlie, and I'm coming to you today with your daily dose of business tech inspiration. Topic number 277 today. We're going to be talking about a portfolio section that highlights your work and what you need to consider when you are creating it. I'm not going to talk about how to create it. Goodness gracious. We're going to just talk about the things that you need to think about when you're creating it. Why is it important to have a portfolio section that highlights your work? Well, it's much like having your customer testimonials, success stories, and such, isn't it? It's about creating that trust and credibility with your clients. It's about, and particularly if you're in the, not particularly, if you're in the visual creative side of things, being able to show what you can do, that's important. Being able to show the types of things that you create. If you build houses, showing the beautiful houses that you build, the finishes that you put on things. If you're a carpenter or a joiner, particularly if you make kitchens or bathroom cabinetry, showing that work in situ in the places where you've put it in. It creates that feeling with your clients or your potential clients or customers. Oh wow, I really want that. I want my bathroom or my kitchen or my bedroom to look that good. I want my house to look like that. Oh, I can imagine that piece of artwork on my wall. So that's why it's important to have a portfolio section that highlights your work on your website. So the first thing that you need to have is your best work. It's no use putting up a portfolio section of your mediocre work. Make sure it is your best work that you are putting up there. Make sure that it's your top projects that create strong, positive impressions, and you need to focus on the quality rather than the quantity. The other thing that you need to do is include visuals. You need to make sure you have high quality images or videos that really represent your work and give visitors a clear idea of what you can achieve. Make sure if you are doing the images that the images are clear, that the area that you're taking the photo of is clear, that it's going to give that feeling of, as I started this video with that feeling of, oh, I really want my house to look like that. I really want my bathroom to look like that. I really can imagine that piece of artwork on my wall. Make sure that you don't have clutter. Make sure that it's not dirty. Make sure you don't have, okay, I've got to be careful here. Make sure you don't have pets running through the photo while you're taking it. Unless, of course, you need to have the pets running through the photo while you're taking it because it's a pet related, but I'm sure you understand what I mean. But make sure you've got high quality images or videos that visually represent your work. Make sure you include descriptions of that work and make sure the descriptions are written in a way to evoke emotion, to evoke that feeling of, oh, I really want to have this. Maybe talk about the goals that you had when you created whatever it is what you're showing off, what your role in it was, the outcomes, highlight your expertise, but also give it that feeling of emotion. You want people to really connect with it and say, yes, I really want this. If you offer a range of services or products or whatever it is, make sure you create categories and categorize your portfolio so that your visitors can find examples easily, find examples that match their interests particularly easily. It's no use if you've got a profile section that's got, I don't know, let's say 20 different types of projects in it, and they're all different types of projects because someone's coming along, they're looking for a specific type of thing and they want to see what you can do within that specific section. So make sure you've got categories that people can say, I want to see bathroom joinery, for example. Might be fixated with that at the moment. Wonder why. But bathroom joinery, and they can go and have a look at all the bathrooms that you've fitted out, just as an example. If you have customer testimonials or client testimonials that go along with that work, incorporate those as well, even if it's a 1 or 2 line statement from the client. If you've got something that's a bit bigger and you can make it fit, then use that as well. But having those testimonials, it goes a long way to building that credibility and trust, or deepening that credibility and trust. And make sure you keep it updated. It's no use, sorry, make sure you keep it updated. Make sure you've got your latest work in there, your latest best work in there, so that it reflects your current skills and experiences. It's no use having a portfolio section on a website today and that portfolio section hasn't been updated in 3 or 4 years. People are going to look at that and wonder if you're still doing work. And if you are still doing work, where's all the current work, or is it just not that good? So make sure you do keep it updated. That is really important. So all of those things go to creating this part on your website, this section on your website that your visitors, your prospects can connect with, can resonate with, and can get that real feeling of, oh, I really want one of those. I really, really want to have it. It takes that, if you can imagine, and I don't know if you can, walking into a showroom for a house. Let's talk about IKEA. And walking into an IKEA store where they have the model bedrooms or the model kitchens or the model living rooms with things laid out, and you walk into that model area and go, oh wow, this is nice. I could imagine living in somewhere like this. I could, yeah, I really like that couch, and I really like it. Oh, I like that piece of artwork on the wall. You get that feeling, you get that emotive response to it, emotional response to it. That's what your portfolio section is trying to replicate, but in the digital world. So you've got to do a lot more work to be able to get that emotive response, because you don't have all of those external factors that come into it. But you can absolutely do it. And I've seen some beautiful sites. I've done some beautiful sites where I've had some really good photography and really good videography that I can really say, here's the project that we did. Look, guys, what do you think? Have you used portfolios on your site? Do you have trouble with the portfolios? You're just not sure what to include, what to put up, what not to put up? Let me know. Leave comments wherever you are listening to or watching this video. I would love to interact with you. You can always come across and join us on our locals community, askcharlyleetham.locals.com. You can join the conversation there. You can send us a DM on our social media channels. We will respond to you. As always, if you can, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell so you find out when we drop more content. Tomorrow, we are going to be talking about the importance of a well-designed homepage. I know we've done a lot of this stuff before, but there's always new stuff to cover. So I like to come back and revisit them. And apart from that, you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you all at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time tomorrow morning. See you later, guys. Bye.